Welcome back. In our last video, we deployed apps. Today, we are hardening the physical security of our device. The security team has issued a new policy. We must block all USB storage to prevent data theft and disable the camera for privacy reasons. Since we are working in a virtual machine, I'm going to show you some L2 tricks on how to test these hardware blocks even without a physical USB stick or webcam. Let's get started.
Let's build the policy. On the left sidebar, click Devices. Under By Platform, click Windows. Under Manage, click Configuration Profiles. Click Create and select New Policy. For Platform, select Windows 10 and later. For Profile Type, select Settings Catalog. Click Create. Name the profile CONF-Device Hardening and click Next.
In the Configuration Settings tab, click Add Settings. We need to find two specific controls. First, for the USB block, in the search bar, type Removable Storage and hit Search. Click on the category Administrative Templates/System/Removable Storage Access. Check the box for all removable storage classes, Deny All Access. Second, for the camera, clear the search bar and type Camera. Click on the category System or sometimes Experience depending on your version. Check the box for Allow Camera. Close the settings picker. Now we configure the logic. Pay close attention here. All removable storage classes, Deny All Access, set this to Enabled. We are enabling the Deny rule. Allow Camera, set this to Not Allowed. We are turning the camera off. Click Next. We can skip scope tags. Click Next to Assignments. Click Add Groups and select your All Autopilot Devices group. Click Select, then Next, and finally, Create. Back on the VM, go to Settings, Accounts, Access Work or School. Click on the connected account. Click Info and hit Sync. While that processes, here is the VM trick for testing. Hyper-V treats the DVD drive as removable storage, so make sure you have an ISO file mounted in your VM settings. This will act as our USB stick for the test. The sync is done. Watch what happens when I try to open the D drive. Double-click Drive. Access is denied error pops up. Boom, access denied. Even though I can see the drive, I can't read the files. If this were a real USB stick, the result would be exactly the same. The data is safe. Now for the camera. Since VMs don't have webcams, opening the camera app just gives a no device error. The real test is in the privacy settings. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera. Look at the camera access toggle. It is switched off and grayed out. You also see the red text. Some of these settings are managed by your organization. This confirms that Intune has totally disabled the camera subsystem. We have successfully locked down the hardware. Our device is encrypted and hardened. If this video helped you understand how to verify hardware blocks in a lab environment, please hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss the next part of this course. Speaking of the next video, how do we make sure our device stays secure? Next up, we will configure compliance policies, the health check that blocks non-compliant devices from accessing company email. See you there.